That damn Mariah Carey song is what got me that night when we were dancing in the living room.
Okay, but I want to ask you about that. What, you can put the tissue down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. What Mariah Carey song?
Oh, wow, my hair. I have always kind of had a thing for my hair. It's been a running joke with my friends for years. How many hair care products does Ginger have when she comes to town? Long hair all my life. The doctor told me you'll lose it in 10 days, which was not what I expected to hear at all. I thought maybe the third treatment or something like that, it would start coming out, and then maybe by the end it would be gone. But when she said 10 days from the first treatment, I really thought my heart was going to fall out of my chest. And I know that's really vain, but I couldn't help it. I was just so scared to be vulnerable like that. I mean, when you lose your hair and you go out someplace, it is a totally different realm of the way that people look at you, and you catch them trying not to look at you, you know. And you would have thought that all the chemo that I'm taking would have stopped my hair from growing, but oh no! The red hair wants to come back. It says nothing can stop me. Chemo. So I've got like 5 o'clock shadow everywhere, so can't have a bunch of little scragglers hanging out everywhere, so we're going to shave it off. Tomorrow's the day, so we're doing a double mastectomy tomorrow, and I'm really nervous. I'm scared, I'm sad. I feel like I'm losing 2 friends. I just have never, I don't know, I've never felt like this before about anything. It's like it's hard to explain, it's hard to put into words how it makes you feel, but I'm so sad. And I know that it doesn't define me as a person, but I think as a woman, and I don't even, you know, and I don't have children, so I've never had to go through anything like that. But this, for me, is just, it feels like I'm taking away a part of myself. And like I said, I'm scared and I'm nervous about it, and I don't know if I'm gonna be the same or if I'm gonna look the same. You know, I'm apprehensive about my body image, and is this gonna make me feel worse about myself afterwards? And I don't want to do that. You know, I want to feel good about how I look. And I think every woman wants to feel good about how they look. You're looking for a physician, especially somebody that you're going to be this involved with over the next several months of my life, you know, and probably for a while after that. You want to have somebody, or at least I know personally for me, what I was looking for was a doctor that I could talk to, that was not in and out of my room in 30 seconds and trying to get to the next patient. Somebody that was interested in me and what's going on with me and how I'm feeling about all of this. He's been super receptive to any questions that I've had, any reservations about, or you know, what I'm going to be going through, what's it going to feel like, how are these expanders going to work. He's very open to educating me and talking about, he'll sit and talk with me for as long as I want. And that to me is a quality that you just don't find in doctors these days. And I think it really sets him apart from a lot of the other surgeons, that he does take such a genuine interest in me, not just every other patient that he's got treating, but he knows me. He knows my name, he knows my partner, you know, he asks about things that we've talked about in the past, and that's nice. The new girls. Well, I'm excited for them to come. I've always wanted some, so this has been, I just hated that this was the way that I had to go about getting them. But I'm excited about the Reconstruction. I'm optimistic and I'm hopeful for a really great outcome, and that I'm going to look better than before. So I think that it's going to be a journey and it's going to be difficult, and I know that there's going to be bumps and bruises along the way, but at the end of the day, I know I can get through anything now. If I've been through this, this is just a bump in the road as far as I'm concerned. We're going to get through this with flying colors, and I'm just ready to move on to the next phase of my life, and I'll be happy for the new girls to come. Nothing too crazy though. I don't want anything too big.